Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, May 26, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, on Friday I called the Dow down hard, and I got it glowed a little because, it really was down hard today. At one point is down well over 200 points, and in fact got below 18,000 for a short while this morning, but it did come back here toward the end, like the last hour or so, and ended up closing down 190 points. But even so, 190 points is a good plunge. I am delighted about this. We needed this. Very important that this market do some correction. As far as what's going to happen tomorrow, I noticed that our stocks at least are up a little in the aftermarket. So, I think there's a possibility tomorrow we could get a higher open, but there's also a good possibility that whatever rally takes place early in the day is going to fail, and we could see this thing continue its downside plunge. And what I'm kind of looking for is see if it would take out these lows over here from May 12th. That would be a great thing. Actually, I'd like to see this crash through there and really plunge. For a day that the Dow was down at one point well over 200 points, we did pretty well, all things considered. We closed out basically neutral. We closed out $346 in positive in our closeout trades, and we are carrying positive about $1,000 going into tomorrow. Now, I'm not holding my breath on what could happen tomorrow. We have 8 positions on, and 4 positive, 4 negative. So basically, we're treading water, but it's good. If we can tread water when the rest of the market takes a hit like today, we're doing pretty well. So, this, I want this to go down further, but when it does turn around, we can make quite a bit of money on the as it comes back, and so I'm hoping for that. But I really don't want to see a big rally tomorrow. I think that could be dangerous, because I think everybody thinks, well, the selling's done with, let's jump back into this bull market, and then they're going to get killed. And so I really don't want to do a lot of buying. But of course, I'll follow the system. I always do. But I think this downside action we saw today is just a preliminary warning that this overall market needs a good correction. I don't have too much to show today. I'll show you one trade, basically the best thing that we had today in terms of what we closed out. This was in BITA, and we had got into this on Friday, kind of toward the end of the day, and then it really gapped up strong this morning. But of course, it's just like it fails right away, and that's also, to me, is indicative of a weaker market. We did get out of this with about $2,000 profit, nevertheless. So that was a pretty decent trade, but everything else was kind of wishy-washy. Nothing really great, nothing to write home about. But again, we did get through this very negative day with some very small profits. Anyway, that's the way it went. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you all tomorrow on Tuesday.